Step aside for a moment and I'll
Yes.
call you in.
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna do basic footwork first. All right, are we on?
Yep.
All right, welcome again to week 2 of Intro to Lindy. We worked on kind of lead, follow footwork, as well as going from closed position in 8 or 6 count swing into swing out from closed position. And we're gonna finish the cycle next week. So let's talk about lead and follow footwork real quick. Leads, we lead with our left. So I'm going to rock, step, and then I'm going to trip, full step, and then I'm going to take my right leg and kind of bring it backwards on 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice I'm traveling. I travel forward, I come around, I travel backwards, kind of shuffling back into my triple step. You need to land on your right leg, okay, with the weight on your right leg, so that you can step back on your one on your left. Okay, for follows, we learned kind of 2 variations of your basic footwork. One is a rock step and one is a walk. So with my right leg, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and you should land on your left foot so that you can step backwards on your one on your right. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We also learned a variation when you're in open position and going back into a swing out or into a Lindy. You're going to step forward on your right instead of rock stepping. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, walk, walk, trip, full step, walk, walk, trip, full step. Fantastic. All right, I'm going to bring Julie up. Julie is my model. Say hello, Julie. Hello. So we are now going to connect. We're going to go from, I'm going to do one from an 8 count swing, just our exercise, into a swing out, and then I'm going to try it from East Coast swing as well. We're going to start with our basic 8 count, which is our exercise from last week. Step, step, trip, full step, and step, step, trip, full step. I'm going to offer her my hand, and then we're going to go step, step. My hand is going to go from her waist to her mid-back, and then it's trip, full step. You got to have that connection with your partner, lean into the hand, and then it's step, step, trip, full step. That's the circle. Okay, now we're going to do a swing out. I'm going to let go on 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do it from a different angle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I'll do it from East Coast swing now. Okay, it's our 6 count swing. Triple step, rock step. Remember, we're gonna bow to the queen. That's gonna be our signal that we're leaving East Coast and getting into Lindy. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, bow to the queen. Triple step, 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 triple step. Do it again, slowly. East Coast swing. Bow to the queen. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is your week 2 tutorial. Sorry, it was a long one.